By watching our videos, you agree and understand that the information provided by our experts and attorneys, including comments and replies from users, is not legal advice. So, use of information is at your own risk. Hello, everyone. I am Nipasa Pradhan, and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. This is another webinar, and it's going to be another informative and a very engaging one, I hope. So, stay with us wherever you have joined us from. Let me just tell you if you have questions or comments, don't forget to tell us which city and state you have joined us from. It just helps us to answer your questions better. And yes, also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Immigration and Jobs Talk Show, because so that you will be updated whenever we go live and we have updates about immigration and jobs. And today, very happy again because we are going to be joined by none other than Uma Mantravadi, a very, very renowned and experienced attorney who has been practicing for over 3 decades now. So, welcome back, Uma. Thank you so much for joining us on Immigration and Jobs Talk Show.
Thank you, Nipasa, good afternoon and good morning for some and good evening for some. Welcome back, and we hope to have a very interesting and involved discussion today.
Very well, very well. And folks out there, Uma is an expert. I can tell you why, because she loves to read between the lines. She understands well because that is through experience. So, and today we are going to discuss about how F-1 OPT students can secure work and stay stress-free. Mastering self-employment and USCIS's EAD renewal extensions. So, stay with us, all right? Uma, what can we expect from this session today?
Well, we're going to talk about F1 students who are on OPT and STEM OPTs. What are their options? How do they seek employment? How do they remain in status? And what are the options available to students other than going to an H1B? So that's something I wanted to bring up because a lot of students do face issues when it comes to post graduation OPT. If they can't find employment, there's no employer willing to hire them, then what is their options? That's what I wanted to bring about.
We will discuss
It's a
in
very niche
details and
area.
sure, Uma,
It's a
sorry
very
for
niche
interruption.
area of law, and not many people will be understanding this or know, which is why I wanted to bring the topic today.
Absolutely. And it's going to be a very intriguing session, friends. Stay with us, all right? And I can already see friends joining us. So, Mahit, thank you again for joining on this session as well. He's on YouTube, and then Prem Lal on Facebook. Hello. Namaskar to you too. And thank you for joining. And so today, moving on, let's just dive into the topic, Uma. So let's go forward with this first question I have for you. What role does the e-verify system play in context of F1 STEM OPT self-employment?
Well, it's a requirement if an employer wants to hire anyone on an F1, the employer has to be e-verified. If they are not, they will not be able to hire this employee because they also have to verify this student status, make sure that their CVS is still valid, they're not working out of status. So e-verification is an absolute requirement for all employers who are going to be filing for an F1 OPT or a STEM OPT.
Okay, thank you. And well, maybe let's talk about, what alternative forms of compensation are permissible, for students under STEM OPT, just like what is clarified by the Homeland Security, Department of Homeland Security.
Well, basically, they have to get paid, a check like a normal person would be. That depends on the employer if they want to pay weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, but they've got to pay them, and I'm sure they'll be reporting that to the IRS. There are some issues concerned with the taxes. I'm not an expert on taxes. That's something only a CPA can tell. Whether an employer can deduct FICA, Social Security, and medical withholding. There are some specific requirements that are connected with students, so they have to comply with that. But they'll be giving them a check, a regular check, and that's something they have to follow. And
Okay.
they have to verify their documentation and keep track of everything and maintain an I-9 folder for the OPTs as well as the STEM OPTs.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. And also, we have Ram Kumar who has joined us. I want to take up this question. I find it very relevant. It's about the topic. So, I am on F1 OPT working full time in corporate. Just wanted to do unpaid volunteer work in weekends with Starbucks and other restaurants develop personal skills. Does it allow to work during F1 OPT?
No, you cannot work as a volunteer also with Starbucks or IBM or anybody. If you're working on an OPT with an employer, you work with that employer only, and it has to be related to your major that you've graduated in, so it has to be connected. It's called OPT is optional practical training, which means you're getting training in that field that you just graduated from. So you cannot volunteer whether it's a Starbucks or a Valero gas station or anywhere else. If the USCIS or anybody catches you working there, even as a volunteer, that can be interpreted that you're working there and you've displaced another US worker from getting that job. So that can place you into removal proceedings, if the USCIS decides to do that.
Okay, sorry, Ram, you cannot do that. So, unless it is relevant to your subject, right? So, right, Uma? I mean, what if
Absolutely.
he is, yeah, I
If
wonder
you're,
what is your subject otherwise as a student. If you could tell that,
yeah, for
maybe we could.
example, if his major is computer science, he would be working for a computer related company, could be an engineering company still with a computer related background. If he's doing database or he's a developer or he's Java, whatever he's doing, it has to be connected to his education. If it's hotel
Right.
management, then you go into hotel management. If it's hospitality, then you work at the hotel. um, Again, it has to be connected, otherwise you would be doing something that's in violation.
Right, right. Thank you so much, Ram, for that question, and thank you, Uma, for taking that up. And let's move on, Uma. I have this question. What criteria define a bona fide employee relationship for students under OPT, particularly concerning the submission of Form I-983, detailing the nature of employment, and who is authorized, to attest or sign the Form I-983?
Well, 83 does not apply to OPTs, but it'll apply only to somebody who's STEM OPT. An F1 OPT, you don't need to file under 983. The 983 is again detailing a training plan by the employer concerning the employee, that they would be providing this employee STEM who's on a STEM OPT training in their company, and they have to detail all that to the university, and the university will also either file the 983 or the employer can directly file the form with the USCIS. But that is concerning a STEM OPT. And who can attest? Anybody who's authorized in the company, could be an HR, could be the hiring manager or the president, whoever's authorized to sign the form, just like an H-1B.
But the students cannot sign their own I-983. They cannot do
No,
self-attestation. Right.
no, ma'am.
All right.
No,
Thank you. Thank
not
you,
in
Uma,
this
for that.
condition.
Okay. Okay. Let's take this one from Mahit. Mahit, hi again. Thank you for joining us on this show as well. So he's asking, recently an F1 student was attacked by an unidentified person using a glass bottle, which severely damaged the student's car windshield. This is the same question he asked previously. I mean, in the previous webinar we had. The police have classified this as a criminal mischief. So the student is now dealing with ongoing insecurity, threats, and significant mental distress as well. Is it possible for the student to apply for a U visa due to this incident?
I
And
wouldn't know
Mahit
unless
is
I look at
asking more.
the police report.
Okay. Mhm.
Go ahead.
No, that's it. I mean, in the third part also,
I'm
he's
not sure
asking the same things.
the student qualifies for a U visa. Okay. I'm not sure if the student qualifies for a U visa or not unless I review the police report and any other attaching documentation. Merely criminal mischief alone will not for a U visa unless I look at the police report. So they can contact and look at it whether they can qualify for a U visa or not.
Sure, Mahid, I mean, tell us more about it. Maybe you could even, if you don't feel like, publicly telling us about it, you can message us personally. I'll be telling you the details where you can send personal emails or even get with us on calls. And for sure, folks out there, wherever you're watching us from, please don't forget to tell us which city and state you have joined us from as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment. And we'll be very happy to take up your questions and update you. First to update you with everything immigration and jobs related. Okay, let's move on, Uma. We have Samira asking, what strategies can I employ to overcome the chaos and uncertainty of H-1B cap? This is out of the topic, but do you want to take it up? Are you there, Uma? I think there is some network disconnect. Okay, there you are.
Uh, uh,
There must be some
what
network
are the
issue, but stay with us, Samira. We will be very happy to take them.
strategies
Oh, sorry. So sorry,
uh,
Uma. There is some network disconnect. But
I
we can hear you, but
can
not completely
employ?
clearly. You are breaking up. If you could just check your connection and be with us again.
Um,
But
you
friends out there, very happy to tell you that you can also contact me, and my details are,
concerning
you know,
H1B,
nipa at higheritpeople.com. You can even call me in the number
uh,
408-335-6444. Uma, I'm very sorry if you can hear me. You have to just probably
cap,
just check your connection once and restart it. Oh, there you are. I think you
uh,
are back.
um,
Sorry, we didn't
not
get you at all. If you can take up
not
the question for
a
Samira.
whole lot, the strategies. The only
Um,
thing
it's very bad, Uma.
is uh, that
Um,
uh,
friends, I'll just
the
say
government
yes. As Uma checks her connection, I hope she gets back to us
clearly
ASAP. Maybe she'll have to restart her connection. But yes, I'm happy to tell you that, if maybe if you're looking for project placements, green cards, EADs, TN, and I mean, tell us about your status. and we could help you out. Maybe just email us at nipa@higheritpeople.com. You can even call me in the number 408-335-6444. Actually, I'm getting calls right now, but I'm on this webinar, so I'm just waiting. Soon I'll be getting back to whoever's calling me right now. But don't forget to send me your details. I think it'll be best if you could just email me. And Uma's back. I'm very happy to have you. Sorry, Uma, about the disconnect. I think there's some network issue. But let's take up this question from Samira.
Yeah,
All
I don't
right.
know. I mean, I am having very network issue at my end, so I'm not sure if it's happening at your end. But I my network, it's perfectly fine. So I know what's happening. But anyway, let's move on.
Yes. So let's take up this question for Samira. What strategies can I employ to overcome the chaos and uncertainty surrounding the H-1B cap? It's not related to the topic I was
Can
saying,
you hear
but if you would love to answer.
me, Nipasa?
I can hear you, but it's not very clear. It's lagging a little bit. Can you hear me properly? I think it's gone again. It's showing fine your network on the screen. I wonder what is happening. There could be some issue somewhere in between, I guess. Sorry for the inconvenience, friends, and this technical error, I would just say. So stay with us. Samira, we will surely try to answer your question. And let's just check out. So maybe, Uma, if you can hear me, if you could just check your connection, maybe restart it, and get back to us, it'll be great. Well, meanwhile, I think we should just go for a short break and hopefully Uma can be back with us. So stay with us, friends.
You an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us in the number 408-335-6444 or mail us at nipa@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.
Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is Nipasa Pradhan on Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today we have with us none other than attorney Uma Mantravadi, but there seems to be some connection issue. We're just waiting for her to be back, and today we're discussing about how F-1 OPT students can secure work and stay stress-free, mastering self-employment and the USCIS's EAD renewal extension. So we just started actually, but so much to discuss, just waiting so that, we can get back to all your questions. And I'll just say hi to all you folks wherever you've joined us from. Manas on YouTube, hi to you. We are going to take up your question. And thank you so much, Uma. I think this is much better. Can you hear me now?
Can
I
can you
also
hear
can
me?
hear you. Yes, absolutely. So, did you want to take up Samira's question, though it's not
Yeah, you're
related to
freezing up, Pasa.
F1
I think
OPT?
the live stream.
Um, Probably. But let's try to do this. It's better than earlier. We have Samira's question on the screen. What strategies can I employ to overcome the chaos and uncertainty surrounding the H-1B cap?
there's no problem from my side.
Sorry, Uma, we didn't get you. Could you please repeat that? Well, sadly, you're frozen again, but no worries. I hope this works. And as soon as it does, we are going to get back to all the questions that we have. And well, hi to Manas on YouTube. We will take up your question, and Jennifer as well, and Prem Lal with all your emojis. Thank you so much on Facebook. Yeah, thank you for all that love. And we have Pinky as well, and Uma, is it better now? Can you see me? Am I? Yeah, perfect. Oh, let's take up this one from Samira. She's asking, my F1 visa is expiring December 2024, but my EAD expires February 2025, and I've exhausted three chances of H1B without selection. Please suggest.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Hi, Uma, can you hear me?
The question
I
you're
think not.
asking, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Okay. Let's just be a little patient, I think. I mean, yeah, there you are, Uma. I think it's better now.
Hello?
Can you hear me? I think it's better now. I can totally see you. I mean, you're moving and
Breaking up,
it's
but I can
clearer.
hear you on and off.
Right. I think it's better now, Uma. I just got, yes, it's the same from
Go
my
ahead.
side. Yeah, it's better now. You were yellow, now it's green.
Messaging that the library is not responding.
Okay. Well, I think I'll just say that we would love to take up your questions and very happy to have all of them, friends. Just thank you. We will make sure that we
Saying
answer all
that
of your questions. So, the thing is, it's not so clear what you're saying, Uma, and all I can say is it's going to be hard. Wait, let's just go for a short break. Let's see if we can fix this and maybe, yeah, just stay with us.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us in the number 408-335-6444 or mail us at nipa@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.
So sorry, friends. I think there is some technical issue, and Well, we were trying. I'll just say that we will take up your questions and we will answer to them personally. So if you have any more questions, Pinky, Samira, Mahit, we will answer to all of your questions. And I'll just say thank you so much. And I'm so sorry about this inconvenience. And well, we just couldn't predict this technical issue, I guess. So this is it. Yes, please email me. I am Nipa at higherITpeople.com. That's where you can get to me. And you can even call me on the number 408-335-6444. And if you're looking for project placements, EAD, green cards, TN, anything, just let us know what is your status, where have you joined us from, where are you based, which city, which state you are in, and we will definitely try to get back to you. And thank you so much today, friends. Thank you. This is it. I'll see you tomorrow because we have more webinars lined up, and well, we'll be happy to see you tomorrow then. Thank you so much, everybody. This is Nipasa Pradhan signing off from Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Bye-bye.
You an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us in the number 408-335-6444 or mail us at nipa@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.